is Jim, and welcome to
Kilimanjaro.
Today we're going to be looking at the Dewalt DW7440RS table saw stand. That's this guy over here. What it is if you've got one of these nice compact job site saws, you don't want to be laying on the dirt trying to use it, you got to raise it up to the right height. So you get a stand like this, raises it up to the right height. It's a nice sturdy work surface, makes it a lot safer to use. Also has some wheels on it, which can make it a little bit easier to move around. So the way it works, it comes with two yellow rails that are on the bottom of this saw. I'll show that to you in a second. They're bolted to the bottom of the saw to keep it nice and rigid, and then you can pick it up, put it on here, and it clips on with two quick release clips. So I'll show you how it works now. So on the bottom you can see those two yellow rails. They just slide over on top of this. And then you pull these two handles over here, and it slides down, and now it's locked in place and it's not going anywhere. So once you have it locked in place, you can obviously use the table saw, but if you want to move it around or put it away to store it, you can flip it up on its end, like that, and then you can roll it around. Now these legs here, they fold in, both the bottom ones and the top ones. They've got these nice sturdy black quick releases on them to swing them up and down. And also this handle also has a quick release. If you pull on this, that slides up and slides down. So it's really convenient, makes it very easy to move around. I'll put it back up now. Now the downsides to the stand is it does make the saw a lot heavier. The saw is only about 30 pounds, so it's not super difficult to move around by itself. With the stand that comes with it, that makes it about 60 pounds. It's a little harder to move around if you want to lift it into the trunk of the car or something. It's also very bulky. Of course, it's pretty easy to take it on and off, not too big a deal. I also like that these stands here, they stick out a little farther, so if you're not going to be using the actual stand itself, you're just going to put it on a countertop or something, then it is nice and sturdy and stable for it. It's really nicely made. It's got these nice aluminum legs here, these nice big beefy wheels, so when you're rolling around, if you roll over a bump or something, it's not going to hurt it. The only thing I wish that was a little bit different about it was these legs here. I think it would have been very convenient if they had the option at least to raise up to allow it to support an extra part of the table here. Now it does have two bolt holes on the top, so you could make a little extension for it. And the way the fence works on this saw, it can slide out past that, so maybe that's why they didn't do it that way. All in all, I think this is a really nice addition if you've got one of these saws. Makes it a lot more convenient to get the saw out, put it away, a lot more convenient to use, and it's a little bit safer too because it's such a nice and sturdy piece.